Well, here's what I've been up to for the last little bit. The landing all in here. Still hardly have any room to move around. Landing and staircase. There's the top of that 2-inch square tubing there will be the new floor height. Just have plywood on top of that. I'm going to run joists across. For the rest of it, I have to pull all this the old floor up yet, but that's whole nother project. Anyways, just getting ready to put just going to temporarily put some OSB on here to use on the landing and the stairs temporarily, just so I can start using it now. Yeah, it worked out pretty good. This is in the second bay, so very little intrusion into this bay at all. Front bay is it's all door and staircase, but the second one here, I want to try and keep this one empty for once this is all done. Keep this one empty for just for putting stuff in while you're traveling and that. Back bay, of course, is going to have all the sewage system and tanks and water system, that kind of thing in there, but this bay here, I want to keep it free, and this one here will have the door and stairs. This bus has an auxiliary fuel tank, 35-gallon tank. I think I'm going to use that for the I'll separate it from the main tank and use it for the generator and for the heating system. So right now it's all tied into the main fuel tank, but I think I'll separate it and use it for that. And the generator, which is underneath all this garbage right here, little 12-kilowatt Isuzu diesel generator, will go either up where the factory heating and air conditioning for the coach is now. I'll pull all that out. I got a sneaking hunch it's going to be a little too tall to go there, so it may just go on the other side, in behind the other side bay door. We'll see when we get to that point. Anyways, I'm going to cut some stairs and then I'll continue with this. Here's another look at the staircase area from the top. See what it looks like when I get some stair treads and landing down in there in a few minutes. I'll take another shot of it. Okay, so now here it is with just some OSB stairs and landing in there. Works really good. This 2-inch square tubing here, that will be the height, the new floor height. It's at that point about 2 inches above the old original floor height, and up at the front there it'll be 3.5 inches, and at the back the original floor height will be about where it's at now. These things taper front to rear about 3.5 inches. So to make the floor level, I gotta compensate for that. Worried about these being a little bit too steep. They're the same as another motorhome I measured, but when I was putting them in there, they looked like they might be a little bit on the steep side, but seem to be fine. I just noticed I kind of goofed here. I'm gonna have to move these two uprights here. I want to have that down in that area for a cubby hole for putting shoes in, and it's a little bit narrow. I can move this. If I can get this to work, I can move this one here over to here, and that one there, move it over as far this way as I can, make that opening quite a bit bigger. Kind of overlooked that when I was putting them in there, but of course now I got them all welded in. But anyways, I'll just cut them out and move them over. No big deal. Anyways, yeah, pretty happy with that. Next will be the door. I gotta get some material. I ran out of material, so I gotta get some more material in to continue on. But yeah, do that next week. That's it for now.